Welcome everyone, I'm Miss Jessica and this is my assistant Barrett here, and we are here to show you our 4th episode of our Busy Bag Workshop. This one is my favorite bag because my kids have played with it the longest. So if you're gonna invest in any one of these bags, this is the one to do. And even better, the supply list is the shortest. You will need some jumbo popsicle sticks, again, a favorite of mine. But this time I did purchase colored ones because it makes this activity a lot more fun. So if you can grab some colored jumbo popsicle sticks and then hook and loop fasteners. And this is the trick to our fun activity, and it makes it so simple because they are pre-stick and you do not have to use any kind of glue. You will also need to grab another pencil pouch or a resealable bag that you can use to store this in. All right, so now we are going to get started. Barrett is going to grab one side of our fastener, and this side is the rough side, and we would call that the hook side. And he is going to put one on each side of the same side of the popsicle stick, if that makes sense. He will continue to do that here. I will use the other loop side, and they will go on the bottom end of each jumbo stick. And once you do this on all of the sticks that you want to put in the bag, and I encourage you to make lots of them, you will have an extremely fun activity. I relate it to the tiles that we use at our house that have magnets inside them because you can kind of go crazy and build whatever you would like. So you end up with these very durable, colorful sticks that can then be used to build all kinds of awesome creations. If you want to enhance this activity for an older child, you can actually use some index cards and markers and show them a design that you would like them to make. This can be a house, it can be a person, it can be a tree, it can kind of go anywhere, but my favorite is to do alphabet letters. So they can turn into an A quite easily from either a triangle shape, or a square can easily become a B if you keep building. So I just want you to be encouraged that this activity will last you quite a while, and you can guarantee that you will have some free moments with this. Let my preschoolers show you a little bit more of how they are played with. Our workshop would not be complete without learning a brand new Bible verse. We are going to be teaching you Deuteronomy 2:7, which talks perfectly about how we use our hands for God. Will you join with us? For the Lord your God has blessed all the work of your hands. Deuteronomy 2:7. Great job.